Welcome at the first video of the new videos in Dubai. As you can see, I am now at top speed, and also as you can see, for me not so good, but for top speed very good. It's very busy, and because it's very busy at the moment there is no space for me to work on a bike, so I will bring my bike to another friend's shop so I can finish my bike for the season, and when it's not so busy anymore I will start working on some bikes over here. But at the moment it's the starting of the season, so it's very busy. And of course, if you need any parts, just let me know, send a message, and these guys will help you. The car is ready. I have a trailer, and it's a perfect one. My bike fits very good. The lift, so I can start working on the bike. So this will be the last time you see it like this. Look at all these customer bikes. They all need to be repaired to make them ready for the season. So how many bikes are here? Let me know in the comments. Top speed. So, and this is the Hayabusa. Everything is apart. So now I want to do some upgrades. I will tell you later, because this is the 1999 Hayabusa with external pump. So what I will do, I will upgrade it with a pump inside of the tank and make it some different color. I'll put some heat tape on the exhaust and of course a different color. So this is the first video of step 1, part 1 of taking the bike apart. I hope you like the video, and of course when I'm building the bike I don't do everything with time lapse. I will show you how I build the bike completely. So, but this is not a motorcycle shop. See, this surrounded by custom cars. Here they're making custom bumper, and I am working here on my bike because they have an auto space. So if you need any bike parts, you have to go to Topspeed. And to be honest, I can work here without somebody interrupting me, so this has some advantage working here on the bike. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and see you next video.